I'm Amy, an early years teacher with cerebral palsy who decided to quit her job, rent out a house and travel. I am now trying blacksmithing. That is with the man, the myth, the legend that is Maker.
Black, red, yellow, orange, yellow, white. You want it to be orange or yellow. When it turns white, you're going to be sad because it's sparking. It turns red.
Red, I discovered, was not good. Maker showed us what we had to do to make a ring, which is what I wanted to make. We went through how to hold the tools for my hand. As my muscles can overextend, they wanted to hold on really tight, which would then cause pain quicker. So we practiced different techniques I could try. Having gone through the safety rules at the forge, I started by holding the nail and curling it to make the edges of my ring. The tricky part was moulding the metal before it cooled down. We then spent time going back and forth at the fire to make sure it would stay hot enough. As Maker was so excited by the science of blacksmithing, he naturally got us all excited about it. After curling one end of my ring,